Are you worried about the recent drop in Bitcoin prices? Are you wondering if this is a temporary setback or a sign of a bigger trend change? Well, maybe we can help you figure out some of the answers. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Ritika and you're watching Altcoin Buzz News. वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट यू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल ताकि आपको मिल पाए all the buzzworthy updates and insights that you'll be needing to stay ahead of the game. Also, I would like to repeat that this is not financial advice and we wish you nothing but the best for all your crypto ventures. Hello, Bitcoin enthusiasts. I know it's been a bit of a bumpy ride for Bitcoin lately. Bitcoin prices अब drop हो चुके हैं to $28,000 due to regulatory issues in the US और market liquidity जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा lean कर रही है towards Asia. But don't worry, hope is just on the horizon. अब आप ये भी सोच रहे होंगे कि what about the US regulatory agencies? और क्या वो अपने यूरोपियन काउंटरपार्ट्स को पूरा कर पाएंगे? Well, despite all these uncertainties, there's no need to panic. बिटकॉइन ने पहले भी ऐसे काफ़ी सारे तूफानों का सामना किया है एंड एक्सपर्ट्स रिमेन ऑप्टिमिस्टिक अबाउट इट्स लॉन्ग टर्म पोटेंशियल. And with the recent passage of crypto rules in Europe, including MICA and its separate crypto related rule, there's a reason to believe कि ये digital assets के लिए तो काफ़ी positive development है. जहाँ दूसरी तरफ US regulatory agencies तो काफ़ी struggle करती हुई नज़र आ रही है to find an effective regulatory approach, and some might say that their efforts are disjointed and counterproductive. Moving on, the price of CTSI has been skyrocketing over the past week, jumping up by a whopping 95%. But that's not all. CTI का total market cap भी explode हो चुका है, reaching an astounding $221 million in just 1 week. This unexpected surge in the CTSI token has caught the attention of investors all around the world. वो सभी कार्टेसी के अपकमिंग प्रोडक्ट में काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट शो कर रहे हैं and it's no wonder why. The data from Into the Block, a crypto market intelligence platform, shows that CTSI का transaction value अब बढ़ चुका है with over 500 transactions, each moving value greater than $100,000. The report shows that the 30-day change in transactions has increased from $100,000 to $1 million. CTSI की प्राइस में ये सर्च तो एक क्लियर साइन है of the growing interest and demand for blockchain technology. And Cartesy seems to be leading the charge. Rocket Pool, a decentralized Ethereum-based staking service, जिसने अब Ethereum stake करने के tedious process को काफ़ी easy और cheap बना दिया है. How? Well, Monday night को Rocket Pool ने अपने Atlas upgrade को deploy कर दिया, which introduced some architectural changes and made the protocol compatible with Ethereum's Shapella hard fork upgrade. But ये सब का users के लिए क्या मतलब? Well, let me explain. Firstly, ये recent upgrade node operators को एक immediate access देता है towards their staking rewards. This is a huge plus क्योंकि इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अब यूजर्स को लंबे अरसों तक इंतजार नहीं करना पड़ेगा to see the benefits of their staking efforts. Additionally, Rocket Pool also lowered the barrier of entry to spin up an Ethereum validator, जो मिनी पूल के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. इस अपग्रेड से पहले node operators needed to provide 16 Ethereum to form a mini pool. But up with the help of Rocket Pool's governance token, RPL, they can supply just 8 Ethereum in some RPL. ये एक काफ़ी significant decrease है in the amount of capital required to participate in Ethereum's staking process. And this also opens the door for more and more people to get involved. So all in all, इस upgrade की वजह से users अब Ethereum staking पहले से काफ़ी easily और cheaply कर सकते हैं. And पैसा बचाना तो हम सभी को पसंद है. So that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for tuning in with us and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.